Hello.
Next game, David versus Class J. Tumungo na po kayo sa ating court. A bomb's gonna come and stop. Never let your heart know it's time that I love you. The people alone let their heart belong. This is the love of life. I hope that I let you down. Baby, perfect. Started around. I'm the one who's nice block by Kurt. That was inside. Score by Lord. Service number 6, Arandilia. Service received by number 25, set by number 19, Lynch. And it's not over. Better luck next time, Lynch. Score pa natin ay 2-1 in favor of Team David. Bola po ng isa, pakikuha at ipakibigay po kanado. Kasi yung bola natin kasing bigat na siya ng 10 kilong bigas. Okay? Please give it to Doc po. Okay, thank you so much. Alright. Alright, parang mas okay po yung yung nabasang bola. Alright. Okay, alright. Pakiamoy po ang bola. Alright. Alright, service by Ismail. Sinet by number 25. Alright, that was Lord. Praise to the Lord. Another service by Ismail. Sinet return, papunta kay number 25 at Binaan. Naunan si Smile. Alright. 2 serving 4. Oh, service ace. Alright. Right, dancer. Right. All na po tayo. All 4 na po tayo. All... Ikaw magsabi. Another jump serve by number 9, Jerome C. Sinet ni Chen. Papunta kay... Okay, number 25 is not over. Oh no! Ayan na po. Goaler, service by number 28, Janelle Chen. Anong tawag? Inside! Score po ng Class J. Alright! Another jump serve by Ned. It's outside. Better luck next time, Ned. Ikaw ba si Jessie? Jessie Danilo. Service by Blackman. Wala kasi sa number. Sila sa middle, kinuha ni Jill. Sila ni Darwin, papunta kay Doc. Kinuha ni Darwin at ni Kurt, papunta kay number. Sino siya? Number 17. Alright. Let's go, let's go. 6, serving 6. All pala tayo ngayon. Si Chubot pa ang nagbebenta ng coffee jelly? Oh no! Parinig naman na isang malakas na palakpakan para kay Chubot. Ayan na po ang ating coffee jelly. Naway po magustuhan ng lahat. And it's outside. Oh no! Iba talaga ang kumikitang pangkabuhayan. Anong pangalan ng iyong store? Ipapromote natin. Kung gusto niyo po bumili ng mga coffee jellies and other dessert, please contact Turin Polycarpio. Outside!
Hello po.
Alright! Service by number 4, B. Calibuso. Oh no! Habol! And it's not over again. Oh no! Anong score? 9, serving 7. In favor of P. David. Oh no! Sino? Papunta kay number... Right, number 3. Number 3 ngayon, si Rachel Ann Duffy. Ay, si dito pala kasi kaliwa to. Okay. Service by number 17. Si Love ni Musa. It is checkpoint! Alright! Bakit yung binibilang ang alright? Kaya naman, palakpakan natin si Gab Kumori. Shoutout kay Gab Kumori. Meron daw may bet sa'yo dito, naka number 0. Nanghula lang din ako. Oh, ano yung tawag? Overreaching. Reaching beyond net. Okay, smile! Let's go, smile! Service by Ipis. Ipis, kinuha ni Dan. Sinet. At Inogay. Tinalo ni Lord. Tinalo Dan. Oh no! It's not good. Grabe, praise to the Lord. Yes. Grabe ang holy spike ni Lord papunta kay Dan, kaya nagpa-praise na lang si Dan. Another service by Smile. Let's go, Smile. One it's not over. Okay, ang score po natin ngayon ay 10, serving 12. Yes, kasi na magsiserve sa akin ng score. Ayan na. Ayan na. Hindi na siya nag-jump serve. Okay, sinet ni Lord papunta kay Neil. Alright. Alright. Okay, si Lord na po ang masiservice. Service. Set to 25. Nice coverage. And nice coverage, but it's never enough. Oh no! Service by Jesse De Leon. You see, spike. Oh no, there's no coverage. Alright! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Ano pong next game natin, Mr. Gab? Okay, wala daw pa kayo, walang next game. Sino ang 6-2? Get ready po. Kay Harix versus Jason. Parang naglaban na ito kanina. Okay. Harix versus Jason. Get ready. Okay. Score po natin 13, serving 14 in favor of Team David. Paano naman ang love ni Musa? Mamaya sabihin mo sa akin pag meron kayong connection with each other, ha? I-interviewin natin yan. Oh! Oh, bye! 15, 13 in favor of Team David. Serving for the match, Doc David. Chubot, uwi ka na? Chubot, uwi ka na? Bingi. Kasi tayo lang nakakarinig na ito eh. Nice block. Sinet. At in-spike again. But it outside. Nice game po. Mali! Get ready na po, Team Jason and Harix! Pasok na po tayo sa court para po umabot tayo sa quarter time, not hand.
Back 16:30.
Team Jason and Team Harix, pumunta na po tayo sa gitna at makapag-start na po tayo. Line judge po ulit sa mga nakapaglaro na po. Pwede pong mag-line judge po kayo. Okay, referee po, referee. We need also a referee. Ning-ning, referee. Ning-ning, referee. Okay, pumito ka.
Ay, may may-ari
Sige,
na to.
pumito ka.
Walang lahat sa atin yan lahat.